Hello, good evening to all. So today I would like to cover complete CSAT lecture, and in a single shot, or you can say in a single lecture, I will cover entire uh, entire all chapters. Okay. So in this especially I will focus on revision part, or you can say in single video you can revise all the things, all the concepts. Okay, so that you can able to remember all the facts and all the concept, because concept is most important thing. And if you know concept, definitely you will able to solve the questions. So after concept you have to practice, a lot of questions, pyq, so that you will be confident. Okay, so let us start. First thing I would like to cover time, speed and distance. Time, speed and distance. So first thing is speed. You know, speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Speed is equals to distance upon time, and here speed, uh, distance means total uh, path, or you can say okay, distance per unit time is called speed. So first, sometimes it will you will see that kilometer per hour, and the answer will be meter per second. So conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second or vice versa is important. So for this you have to uh, concept like 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer per hour, or you can say kilometer per hour into meter per second. For meter per second you have to multiply by 5 by 18, 5 by 18, and meter per second you will convert into kilometer per meter per hour, that is 18 by multiplied by 18 by 5. So these two concept is important. Okay, now average speed. Average speed for so for average speed, so for calculating average speed you have to know total distance upon में total time. So suppose a total distance is d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus d4 and so on, and total time will be t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 and so on. Okay, so you can say d dt, d total, and tt, t total. Okay, so this is the formula for average speed, right? Average speed, is it clear? So suppose if the distance is constant and average speed is given by harmonic mean of two speeds, then how to calculate average speed? For that condition, here distance is constant, and average speed is given. Average speed is given by harmonic mean, right? Harmonic mean. So suppose harmonic mean of two speed harmonic mean of two speed, then average speed will be as average will be as average means average speed will be 2 s1 into s2 divided by s1 plus s2. Is it clear? S1 plus s2. So average speed will be 2 s1 into s2 upon s1 plus s2. So this is the average speed. If distance is constant and average speed is given by harmonic mean of two speed, so in this condition average speed will be 2 s1 plus s2 divided by s1 2 s1 into s2 divided by s1 plus s2. Is it clear? Now next thing, suppose time is constant. So in this condition and average speed is given by arithmetic mean of two speed. So if time is constant, then in that particular condition the average speed as average will be s1 plus s2 divided by 2. So in this condition, if time is constant and speed is different, then in that particular situation average speed will be s1 plus s2 divided by 2. This is the concept of speed in case of time constant, right? Now one thing is relative speed. So relative speed, this is the especially in case of train or a boat and a stream. So such concept will be important. Such concept is important in train cases or boat and a stream. So let us discuss one by one. So in case of train, average speed, or you can say time, okay, relative speed, suppose time will be sum of length divided by relative speed, right? That is equals to L1 plus L2 divided by S1 plus minus S2. Why? Because relative speed will be different or sum also. So that is a speed of difference of a speed and sum of difference, both can be possibility. Okay, so time will be distance upon time, distance upon speed will be time. So in case of total distance, that will be L1 plus L2, and relative speed is equals to S1 plus S2 or S1 minus S2. Is it clear? And for boat and stream, okay, for boat and stream, S downstream, S and speed in downstream will be S speed in boat, speed of boat plus speed of boat plus speed of stream, right? So that is the speed of downstream will be speed of boat plus speed of stream. Now speed of upstream, speed of in upstream will be S, that is speed of boat speed of boat minus speed of stream, right? Speed of stream. Is it clear? So you have to remember, or you have to keep these things in your mind. Is it clear? Now next thing is average. In simple average, in case of simple things, you can calculate a simple average. Simple average. Simple average, that is the sum of elements, total sum, or you can say total sum upon में total number. So, or you can say total number of elements, whatever you can say. So in case of any average, okay, or you can say any simple average, so you can calculate simple average by the help of this formula, that is total sum divided by total number is equals to a simple average. Now weighted average, okay, weighted average. So how can calculate the weighted average? So weighted average means, weight is equals to W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 x3, okay, divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3, okay, and so on. So in case of weight, you can calculate the average weight or weighted average. So that is W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 x3 divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3. So in this way you can calculate weighted average. Is it clear? Now some more concept which is in number system, okay. So mean, mean is of different kind, okay. So first is arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on divided by n. N is number of terms, okay. So this is arithmetic mean, okay. Now geometric mean, okay, GM is equals to under x1 into x2 x3 and so on xn, okay, and here is n. So nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 and so on up to xn. So this is geometric mean. And harmonic mean you can also calculate. Harmonic mean will be n upon 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3 and so on. So this is harmonic mean. Is it clear? This is harmonic mean. So suppose there is two number a and b, then how can you calculate harmonic mean? HM, harmonic mean. So harmonic mean over here is 2 into a into b divided by a plus b. So this is harmonic mean for two numbers a and b. So HM is equals to 2ab divided by a plus b Now come to percentage, okay. So this is percentage, Okay, so or especially percentage change. So what do you mean by percentage change? So percentage change is equals to final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. Is it clear? This is 100. So percentage change बराबर final value minus initial value divided by 100 initial value into 100. So this is the percentage change. So suppose there is two successive change of a percentage and b percentage, a percentage and b percentage. So here there is successive change. So in case of successive change you can find the percentage. So in case of successive change so in case of successive change there will be, so total percentage change is equals to a plus b plus a b upon में 100. This is percentage. So this is the percentage. So total percentage change is equals to a plus b plus ab divided by 100. Okay, so now come to interest. So simple interest, simple interest. What is the formula of simple interest? So simple interest is equals to P into R into T divided by 100, where P is principal amount, R is rate and T is time. Is it clear? Now compound interest. What is the formula of compound interest? So compound interest is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. This is power n. 1 P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n minus P. This is P is principal amount and this is especially principal. Okay, so this is total amount, P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. This is total amount. So you can say this is A and this is P. So A minus P will be equals to compound interest. So A is equals to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. Okay, so this is the compound interest and simple interest. Okay, now population. How can you find the total population in a city, in a country, in a, you can say in anywhere? Okay, so in case of total population, finding total population, so this is known as population formula. Okay, so population formula, that is P dash means final population after n number, after n years. So P dash is population after n years will be is equals to P into 1 plus minus R divided by 100 to the power n. This is where P is original population and and this P dash is equals to final population. Final population. Final population. Is it clear? Final population. So now next thing is depreciation formula. Depreciation. Depreciation. Okay. How can calculate the depreciation? So P dash is equals to P into 1 minus R divided by 100 to the power n. To the power n. So P is original value. P is original value and P dash is equals to final value after n years. Original after final value. Final value after n years. After n years. Okay. After n years. Is it clear? Now next thing is and R percentage is rate of annual depreciation. Rate of or R percentage I written capital R, so same thing you have to understand. So this is rate of annual depreciation. Rate of annual depreciation. Annual depreciation. Annual depreciation. Is it clear? So R percentage means rate of annual depreciation. Now find the growth, or you can say absolute growth, right? Absolute growth. So absolute growth is equals to final value minus initial value. Final value minus initial value. Final value minus initial value. Is it clear? Now come to the profit and loss. Come to profit and loss. Profit and loss. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. Profit is equals to SP minus CP and loss is equals to CP minus SP. CP minus SP and percentage profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage is equals to profit into 100 divided by CP. Profit into 100 divided by CP. This is profit percentage. And also you can write here is profit, you can write SP minus CP divided by CP into 100 divided, okay, into 100. So once again I try to write SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. So this is profit percentage. Is it clear? Now loss percentage is equals to loss divided by CP into 100, and you can also write it as CP minus SP divided by CP into 100. So I try to write once again, because so profit loss percentage is equals to CP minus SP divided by CP into 100. So this is loss percentage. Right? Now Suppose if an item is claimed to be sold at cost price and using false weight, then the overall percentage profit is given by. So in this condition, percentage profit या profit percent is equals to claimed weight of item divided by actual weight minus 1. So write once again, this is false weight, you can say, upon में actual weight minus 1 into 100. So this is profit percentage in case of any item is sold at cost price and claimed using false weights. So overall percentage is false weight divided by actual weight minus 1 into 100. So this is formula. Okay, now discount. How can you calculate the discount? So you know, discount is equals to mark price minus selling price minus selling price. Is it clear? So discount is equals to mark price minus selling price is equals to discount. Okay, now discount percentage is equals to discount divided by marked price into 100. So discount percentage बराबर is equals to discount divided by marked price into 100. So this is discount percentage. Now successive discount. So for successive discount, you have to suppose there is given A percentage followed by another discount B percentage. So suppose when A percentage is given and it is followed by B percentage, A and B percentage is okay. So this is first percentage, or you can say this is first discount, this is second discount, first discount, and this is second discount, right? So total discount will be equals to A plus B minus AB divided by 100 percentage. A plus B minus AB divided by 100 percentage. This is percentage, right? This is percentage. So this is successive discount. A plus B minus AB divided by 100. Now come to ratio. Okay, so suppose A ratio B is equals to C ratio D D, then A ratio B is equals to C ratio D. Okay, A ratio B is equals to C ratio D is equals to A plus C a ratio b plus d, b plus d, b plus d. So you can write a plus c ratio b plus d. So you can just imagine a with c and b with d. Okay, so a plus c ratio b plus d will be the same, will be the same. Is it clear? If and there is a condition, the condition is a must be less than b, a must be less than b. Okay, okay. So then for a positive quantity x is a positive quantity, so in that particular cases a plus x divided by b plus x, okay, is greater than a divided by b, a divided by b, and a minus x divided by b minus x is less than a by b, is less than a by b. Is it clear? Is it clear? So you have to boost this concept, right? And in another condition, that is a, if a is greater than b, so in that particular situation, suppose x is positive value, x is positive value, so a plus x divided by b plus x is less than equals less than a by b, and a minus x divided by b minus x is greater than a by b, is greater than a by b, is greater than a by b. Is it clear? Now suppose a ratio b proportion c ratio d, c ratio d, or you can also write a by b is equals to c by d, is equals to c by d. So you can write over here is a by c is equals to b by d, sorry, right, b by d, b by d, a by c, so cross over here, so instead of b there is c, and instead of c there is b, so you can cross it. Okay, so a by b is equals to b by d. This is alternando law, alternando law, alternando law. This is alternando law. Now a by b, or you can say b by a, b by a is equals to d by c, d by c. This is invertendo law, invertendo law, invertendo law. Okay, invertendo law. And a plus b divided by b is equals to c plus d, is equals to c plus d divided by d, divided by d. This is componendo law, this is componendo law, nendo law, this is componendo law. Is it clear? Now a minus b by b is equals to c minus d by D is equals to dividendo law. Dividendo law. Dividendo law. Right? Now next is a plus b divided by a minus b is equals to c plus d divided by c minus d. C minus d. This is componendo and dividendo. This is componendo and dividendo law. Dividendo law. This is componendo and dividendo law. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now next is allegation law. Okay, so next is allegation rule. Allegation rule. So first thing you have to understand, suppose there is W1 divided by W2 is equals to x2 minus x upon में x minus x1. So you can write it over here is suppose this is x1 and this is x2 and this is mean, x is mean and this is x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x on end, here x minus x1. So this is W1 and this is W2. This is W2. This is W1. This is W2. Right? So here and here greater minus smaller. Greater minus smaller. Same over here, greater minus smaller. So this is W1 and this is W2. So in front of x1 this is W1 and in front of x2 there will be W2. Is it clear? Now, so this is next move to time and work. Time and work. Time and work. So number of days to complete the work. Suppose number of days to complete the work. Number of days to complete the work. Complete the work will be 1 divided by work done in 1 day. Work done in 1 day. 1 day. In 1 day. 1 divided by work done in 1 day. So this will be the number of days to complete the work. And so this is how you can revise. Now come to LCM and HCF. Come to LCM and HCF. So HCF is equals to HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator of all fractions divided by LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator of all fraction. Okay. Similarly LCM you can find. So there LCM of all numerator and here HCF of all fractions. denominator, HCF of denominator, HCF of denominator. Is it clear? So this is LCM. Now move to property of surds. So property of surds, property of surds. So you can write n a to the power n, to the power n is equals to a, because you can write here a to the power 1 by n, and to the power n means n into n, so n cancel, so this is a, so this is a. Similarly you can write n, this is a to the power n root under b, so this is n ab, this is n ab. Similarly you can write n a divided by n b. Okay, so you can write n a by b, n a by b. Now next is, this is property of surds, and now law of indices, law of indices, law of indices. Law of indices. A0 is equals to 1, a to the power 0 is equals to 1, and a to the power minus m is equals to 1 divided by a to the power m, a to the power m. Now m root a, you can write a to the power 1 by m, a to the power 1 by m. Now next is a to the power m by n, you can write a to the power m by n, you can write root under n, a to the power m, a to the power m, right. So a m into a n is equals to a m plus n. Okay, now a power m divided by a power n is equals to a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so you can write also a to the power m minus n, a to the power m minus n. Is it clear? Now a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power mn, a to the power mn. ठीक है. Now a b power m is equals to a power m into b power m, a to the power m into b to the power m. Now roots of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation. So two roots of the quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is x is equals to, this is root minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac or divided by 2a, divided by 2a. So x is root and x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, divided by 2a. Now next to move algebraic formula, algebraic formula, algebraic formula. So a plus b into a minus b, you know, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, okay. a plus b का होल स्क्वायर, a plus b होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, ओके. a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, माइनस 2ab, माइनस 2ab. Now next is a plus b plus c का होल स्क्वायर, a plus b plus c to the power 2, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca प्लस 2ca प्लस 2ca, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज a प्लस b का होल क्यूब, a प्लस b का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर, 3ab स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट इज a माइनस b का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर, 3ab स्क्वायर. Is it clear? You can also write it as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a cube minus b cube. You can also write it as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus b square, okay. Now move to arithmetic progression, AP. So you know Tn बराबर, that is nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equals to n by 2, that is sum of nth term. Sum of nth term is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 1 into d. Is it clear? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, okay. So this is arithmetic progression formula. And geometric progression, come to geometric progression, GP. So here Tn बराबर, Tn is equals to, that is nth term, ar to the power n minus 1, ar to the power n minus 1, and Sn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1, r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, r minus 1, and you can also write s infinity. So s infinity is equals to a divided by 1 minus r, where r is less than 1, r is less than 1. Okay, now move to harmonic progression, HP. So in case of harmonic progression, you can write nth term, that is Tn, is equals to 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, Tn is equals to 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now some important series. First is sum of n natural number. Sum of n natural number is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You can write universal formula, universal, that is first number plus last number divided by 2 into number of terms n, number of terms n. First number plus last number divided by 2 into n, that is number of terms. So it will be applicable everywhere where the series has the gap same, series has the same gap. So there in every case you can apply this formula, first number plus last number divided by 2 into number of terms, that is n, number of terms, that is n. Okay, now next, sum of a square of first n natural number. Sum of a square of first n natural number. N natural number will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now sum of cubes of first n natural number. Sum of cubes of n natural number, first n natural number is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 into power 2, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n, to the power 2. So this is the sum of cubes of n natural number, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube so on, is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n, to the power 2. Now I would like to cover some factorial related concept. So n factorial is equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n, or also you can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on, 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so n factorial will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on 1 2 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and you can also write because here n, you can also write n into n minus 1 factorial. This is factorial, n into n minus 1 का factorial, right? n factorial, n into n minus 1 का factorial. Now permutation. So NPR is equals to n का factorial divided by n minus r का factorial divided by n minus r का factorial. Okay, so NPR is equals to n का factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now NCR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial n minus r का factorial into r का factorial, right? Now some property, so NCR is equals to n minus r. NCR is equals to n minus r, right? And NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus dash NCN is equals to 2 to the power n. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 dash NCN is equals to 2 to the power n. So you have to remember this thing. Now move to probability. So in probability, you know, probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Okay, favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Odds in favor is equals to number of favorable outcomes. Okay, favorable outcomes divided by number of unfavorable outcomes. Unfavorable outcomes. So this is odds in favor is equals to favorable outcomes divided by unfavorable outcomes. Now odds against number of unfavorable outcomes divided by favorable outcomes, right? Odds against unfavorable outcomes divided by favorable outcomes. So some Pythagoras theorem which is important in everywhere. Pythagoras theorem. So according to this theorem, suppose this is triangle and ABC. So this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse, right? This is hypotenuse. So you know here you can write h square is equals to p square plus b square, p square plus d square, or also you can write ac square is equals to p बोले तो ab square plus bc square, bc square. So you have to remember this thing. Okay.